As nice as the M2 competition is, it's a bit boring. We're going to change that. There's a big list of parts that we're going to be chucking on this car. Let's get this one going. So the transformation is complete and this car is looking absolutely phenomenal. I think you guys will agree. So if you watch the rest of this video, you'll see some driving and a little bit of revving of the exhaust. But let's talk about that exhaust. So this is a Remus GPF system, GPF-back system. So if you come down underneath and look at it in all of its glory, you can see it goes all the way to the midsection. You've still got the two GPFs. And then it's pretty much straight through all the way to the back where you've got these canisters which are pretty small as far as exhaust go, and they sound biblical. They are amazing. So a little bit of a different perspective this time. We've got the rays on the car. You can see some other B-roll being chucked into the video of the car down, but just to talk you through. So obviously exhaust system with these great big chunky black tips, look incredible, sound incredible. Remus have done an amazing job with this system. So working through, we've then got suspension on this car. That is different to the standard, obviously. So we've got AST lowering springs on it, as well as some 13mm wheel spaces as well, both front and back. So they look fantastic. And as I said, when you see it on the floor, it looks perfect. Working from the front, back, we've got the competition front splitter. So this is a replica of the genuine M Performance part. So it's really nice fit. It's a direct replacement, or sorry, a direct fit. Looks fantastic. Lowers it a reasonable amount, but it's not too much. So it's still drivable even when it's lowered. Working our way through, we've got these full-length side skirts, which again look superb. Tie in the front to the back of the car. People often forget about the side skirts. It's a must-have. And then we've got the big chunky DTM boot spoiler and the DTM diffusers. And these two together combined just look absolutely superb. So massive aggression on this car now. We're really happy with the way this has turned out. I hope you have enjoyed it as well. If you get a chance, give us a like and subscribe. It's really appreciated. And enjoy some exhaust videos you're about to see now. See you next time.